Hey everybody, guess what? I'm gonna tell you a little bit of a story on this here day. Most of you may know this story, but for those of you who don't, it's pretty funny. If I sound a little different, I just woke up, so yeah, that's why. Okay, so starting around 6th grade, I started sneezing a lot and developed these really fucking brutal allergies. And I used to sneeze a lot. There were a lot of situations. Hey, buddy, how's it going? He's interrupted my fucking story.
Plus, I haven't played all of them yet.
Shut the fuck up! Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, I used to sneeze a lot, and it used to be at the worst possible time. And I remember we had a little bit of a field trip to our high school, and there was this giant meeting about the Holocaust and stuff, right? And there were like a Holocaust survivor there, and I felt so fucking bad because I started sneezing and sneezing and sneezing about at least 15 times, and the lady came over and she was just like, "Are you okay? Do you need to leave?" I'm like, "Bitch, get out of my face!" That story is way too short. Fuck. Was that the mystery box? Oh, that's just fucking embarrassing. I feel like that story is way too short, and I really want to tell another story, but I don't know what. I'll get back to you when I think of a story to tell. It's a shit mailing map, by the way. Oh my fucking god! No! Okay, I thought of a story. Fuck. Okay, so every year, not every year, I went like one fucking year. Everybody I used to live nearby, we met up fucking once. I'm supposed to go back this year, right, Matty Gear? Right? And yeah, I'm not even gonna say where the place is because you're gonna fucking hunt me down with a ballpoint pen and a broken fucking beer bottle. But yeah, we used to meet up at this one camp, and it was one person you haven't met, Dr. Boom Boom and Magical Matu, right? But I called them David, Timothy, and Matt, right?
Blow them to pieces, battery.
I don't have 0 fucking kills with the KN, you piece of shit. Okay, anyway, there's me and Dr. Boom Boom decided to part off for some odd reason. We went and parted off, and we met this little kid. And we didn't know his name, he didn't want to tell us his name, I guess because he was spooked that we were rapists or something. And we decided to give him the name of Hunker. What the fuck were we doing? Yeah, we decided to give him the name of Honker, and we loved Honker very much. And then we fucking yelled, "Hey Honker," really loud. I remember his grandma turned around with these fucking moldy fingers. It was disgusting. I don't know what. But you get out of my videos, fucking Jackal. I don't know what the fuck I was just saying. Oh yeah, we're rapists, and we tried to abduct a little child. Can you stop being so fucking greasy?
Capacitor's maxed
You're
out.
maxed out. You can fuck yourself. Hello? Got to come in to get the big plate? Oh, fuck right off. As soon as I look away, are you kidding me?
Hardened sentry deployed.
You have to be fucking... Okay, anyway. Dude, let me fucking speak for 2 seconds! second. And she went over and she's like, are you talking to my grandson? And I swear the lady sounded like she fucking ate cigarettes. And I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to say. So I guess we just left Honker. I feel so fucking disgusting calling a kid we just, like, met Honker. What? I thought you were AFK, you dumb bitch! But yeah, I just want to share these two fucking victims as a story. One. I don't know what it was, but it was. Anyway, yeah. That's gonna be the video for today. Hopefully I'll have a funny moments up particularly soon. I really like making those. And you're all gay for them, so thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next one. And I'll see you in the next one!
But I finally know why. I'm an idiot. I've come to grips with it. I'm an idiot. I finally freaking get it. I'm a big fat retard. I finally know why. I'm an idiot. I've come to grips with it.